Hitting a pedestrian is a nightmare. Doing it after you've been drinking is a massive problem. But blaming the fresh dent on your grandma's driving while your friend is literally on the ground bleeding? That takes a level of delusion you only find at the bottom of a bottle.
Where's your driver's license at?
I don't have a driver's license on me.
She's the
I'm not the
driver.
one that was driving.
You just said you were driving. I just heard you.
I know. We were drinking.
You just said you were driving.
Listen, there's been a lot going on today with my friend's fiance that they're supposed to have a wedding and they forgot.
Huh?
I live right around the corner. Like, I'm not a bad person. I have no record, no nothing.
But you gotta be honest with us.
I am being honest with you, please.
Were you driving?
No, sir. This is my grandma's car. I drove it here because I was worried about her. Like, I'm not.
And what happened?
Officers responded to a situation where a woman is on the ground with a massive knot on the back of her head. The driver is standing nearby, and her story starts disintegrating the second the police ask a basic question.
Right. What do you mean what happened? I came here and she was here. I was taking care of her fucking kids. I was taking care of her kids.
Did you hit somebody with a car?
No, I was taking care of her kids.
First, she admits she was the one driving. Almost immediately, she reverses course, claiming she wasn't behind the wheel at all and only showed up to check on things. But the witnesses are her own friends, and they immediately spill the truth. They explain to the officers that the victim didn't want to get into the vehicle and started walking away. The driver got upset, hit the gas, spun out, and struck her friend with the car.
Can you talk to me?
I was taking care of her.
Stay right here, okay?
I know, I was taking care of her kids.
Let me call you back. The cops are trying to talk to me. I love you.
What happened?
So, Bree had walked over here, and we were
Who's
talking.
Bree?
The one that's laying on the floor that got hit. She walked over here. Whatever. We was talking for a little bit, and then Caitlin and Raven had showed up, and they was knocking on the door or whatever. Well, we came. They knocked on the door. I told them to come in. They came in.
Okay, hang on. Short version. Who hit who with a car? Take her a little bit further. Just take her a little bit.
Come on here.
Oh dear God.
Why is no one want to let us know who hit somebody with the car?
Because they're our friends.
So why do you guys call 911?
Because she has a big knot on the back of her head. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay.
I'm here at my house.
Who was driving and hit the car?
Caitlin.
Who's Caitlin?
The one over there.
The one behind me.
Yes.
She was driving. Okay. Were you with her?
No, fuck no.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Where were you at?
I was in my yard right here.
Okay. What did you see?
She spun out right here, and then she went really fast because Bree started walking, and Caitlin wanted her in the car, and she ran Bree over.
She ran over.
Bree.
I'm saying she ran her over.
Yeah.
77. Okay.
They're drunk.
So she came over here, I guess. The one over
You
here.
can see the spin on her right here.
The one on the floor wanted her. She wanted her to come with her in the car. She didn't want to. She started walking, so she kind of like, I guess, got upset.
Yeah, like she spun
And she spun out, and that's when she hit her with the car.
Okay, so she was driving.
She was driving.
I don't know if it was accident or I'm not her, so.
Well, at this point, that doesn't matter. She was behind the wheel. She's been drinking, and she hit somebody. So at this point, we kind of have to do something about it. So.
Okay, well, can you do me a favor? Can you just say that you see something on the car and you know that it was her or something? Don't tell her that I have told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll try. I don't see much.
She did say initially that she was
That's what I
driving.
said. She told him initially.
Yeah, and then they started changing it,
Yeah.
and then. You were driving this car?
Excuse me, what?
You were driving this car?
This is my grandma's car.
Were you driving this car?
Once the police confront the driver with these facts, she goes into total panic mode and throws out every excuse she can think of. When asked about the physical damage to the vehicle, she blames her grandmother. She randomly talks about a friend's wedding.
I'm asking a question.
I was driving that
Okay.
car, yes, sir.
Did you come here? Yes. Did you hit her with this? What did you hit her with?
Huh?
What did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
All right, now you're lying to an
grandma.
officer.
No,
listen,
no, my
listen,
grandma.
listen.
Look, my
You're
grandma.
lying.
Not,
Now, listen.
I'm not lying. My
Yeah, you
grandma
are.
knocked this
All right,
mirror off.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her?
I didn't
Okay.
hit her. My grandma.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her? With what
My
part of the
grandma
vehicle?
did this.
You're not listening to me, okay? I need you to relax.
I
Okay?
am relaxed, but you're yelling at me. I have anxiety. Please just calm down.
Listen. What did you hit her with? With what part of the vehicle did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
You did hit her.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Now you're lying.
No, I'm not. Can you prove it?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you have a driver's license?
No, I mean, no, but I do have a driver's license. I don't understand what's going on.
435.
Like, I'm a good person. Like, I love my best friend.
10-4. She's gonna be the driver.
It wasn't her. It was a car coming in front of us. It wasn't you, bro. You were following behind me and her car came and ran me up.
Right. She's been drinking, driving.
Who?
You.
And everybody else.
You need to calm down, because I'm already upset. I'm about to take you to jail.
No, I am calm. I am calm.
Don't even talk to me right now. Don't
No,
even
like,
talk. You
I
sit
live. Look,
Go
please
back to the
listen.
car.
No, please.
Go back to the car.
Please.
Can you get her, please?
No, I will.
I got nothing to talk to you about.
The only reason I drove.
I got nothing to talk to you
The
about.
only reason I drove.
Did you hear what I just said?
Listen.
Did you hear what I just said?
Can you please listen?
No,
to
I'm
me
not gonna
for a
listen to you.
second?
You're a liar.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
The only reason I drove.
Stop
was
talking to me,
because
please.
They would be okay because their kids were in the fucking
Right, okay.
car. Their
You shouldn't be
kids were-
driving while you're drinking.
She claims she only drove over while being intoxicated because she was trying to rescue her friend's children. The officer tells her that the crash investigation is over and it is now officially a DUI investigation. This causes a complete meltdown.
I only drove here.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I know that, but she.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
She was, and so I fucking chose to drove.
Yeah, you shouldn't do
Her
that. You
kids
shouldn't
were
chose
in the
that.
car. My mom and my fucking uncle took care of her kids.
So
Well, I
I'm telling you right
can't
now.
drive.
I'm telling you right now. You should calm down.
I am calm.
No, you're
I'm
not.
just saying,
You need to
it's
calm
not
down.
fair how you're trying to blame me for something that I'm trying to take responsibility of. Like, her kids, she was drinking, and I'm trying to fucking be the bigger person to come over here and get her. And get her and her kids.
You should have never been
back
driving.
to her house in Welford.
You should have never been driving.
And my mom would have watched the kids. And I asked her.
So we're not here about the kids. We're here about you drinking and driving and hitting somebody with a car. Okay?
Can you go to my house?
No.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to be disrespectful. I'm just saying, like, I really did everything I could because me and Raven were worried about her. She is my best friend.
Okay.
And ever since we were at the dollar store, I tried to tell her, I was like, don't take your kids to drive.
Okay.
So we took her kids with a guy named Dave. That's my mom's best friend, Dave. You can call him and ask him. I'm not lying. I'm being dead ass serious. I'm a good person. I'm not a bad person.
This doesn't make you a bad person.
You know what I'm saying? But you can call them and ask them.
Doesn't make you a bad person.
You can call them and ask them.
I'm not gonna call nobody.
But I'm saying you could.
This doesn't make you a bad person, bro. You lying. You lying about it makes you a bad person.
I promise to God I'm not lying.
Yeah, okay.
I can't make you believe me. You're a cop, so you're gonna believe whatever you want to believe.
No, I don't. I just don't believe liars.
That's the truth.
You're drunk. I don't believe
And that's
drunks.
the truth. You can
sorry.
call my mom. I told Brina to drive to my house and drop her kids off so she would not be driving drink
Right.
with them. And me and Raymond wanted to look out for them.
Okay.
That's the fucking truth. And if you don't believe it, then that's you.
We're not
But
here.
That's the fucking truth.
We're not here about the kids. We're here because you hit
We
somebody
are
in the
here
car.
about the kids because the kids are the fucking most important
We're here
thing.
because you hit somebody
I have
with a car.
kid. I know how it is.
You hit somebody with a car.
The only reason I was here was because I live right down the road. And my friend had something to handle, Bree. And the only reason I came here was to get her kids because she left her kids with me and my mom.
And how did you come here?
I live right down the road.
Okay.
And I asked my grandma. I asked my grandma for her car so I could come and get her and her kids, so I could get them home safe in Welburn.
Did you drive here?
I drove right here. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're doing a DUI investigation. Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Yes, I understand, but I don't
So you
understand
shouldn't
why.
be drinking and driving.
No, I understand that, but I
You know
don't
why?
understand.
Because by accident you might hit somebody.
No, I haven't hit anybody, and that's what I'm saying.
So
like,
that's why we're doing it.
I came to get
You're good.
her.
You're good.
I came to listen.
You're good.
Please listen to me,
You're good.
please.
We're done.
You're getting nothing right now.
Yeah, you're good.
He's not.
I've never had it. I've never ever
So this
had
doesn't make you a bad person.
No, I've
so
never
just don't
had
think
a
that you-
record in my life.
Okay, well,
You said you're not a bad person.
that doesn't make you
You
anything.
made a mistake.
No, I've never been.
It's a mistake that we all make. That's it.
Okay.
Not a big deal. You're making it worse than it is. Okay?
No, I'm really not. But I only came here because I was trying to protect my friend.
Okay.
And I had possession. I had possession of her kid.
Where's your driver's license at?
My driver's license is at my house, which is literally right down the road, like a quarter turn right, and I live right down that road.
Can somebody-
I live on Ridgewood.
Can somebody grab your license or no?
No, they can, but I can. You can drive me to my house.
No.
Yes, sir.
Why is water here?
I'm not a bad person. I have no.
No one said you were.
I have no criminal history.
So that's something you're gonna explain to the judge, okay?
No, like, so I'm gonna go to jail.
We don't know yet. We're
But
conducting
why
an
is that?
investigation.
Because I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well you explain that to the jail.
I haven't though.
Okay.
I came here to get my best friend so she could be with her kids, and I have her kids. I have possession of her kids.
Okay. I don't like. We're not here for that.
I know, but like, why is that? Why did back come me when I was just trying to do the right thing and go back get her?
You can't do the right thing when you've been drinking,
No, but I was getting her so I could.
especially
get her
when
for
you're
her
driving.
kids. No, I understand that, but then I could get back to Welburn.
So you're gonna drive to Welburn drunk?
I'm not drunk though. That's the thing.
Come
like,
on, man. Are you kidding? Are you serious right now?
Hey, Caitlin.
But it
Like,
was
come on,
either
let-
her.
I fixed to go to her house to get the kids. You want to get your license?
Yes, please.
Can I can't go with you.
She can go. Yeah, she can
I
go.
don't know where it
I'll be
is.
right
You have the right to remain
It's
silent. Anything you say or do can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be appointed to you. You have the right to have an attorney present
I
while during
didn't
any
hear
questioning,
her.
if you wish.
Can we please call her?
Listen to me. Let me get through this. What? Hang on. Why are we calling her?
Listen, because I am not guilty. You need to call her. She will tell
You have the
you.
right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney with you prior, during, or after any questioning. If you can't afford an attorney or desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer further or requesting to consult with your attorney. Having these rights in mind, you still wish to talk to me?
I just had never been through this.
Basically saying you have.
I'm not a bad person.
I'm not saying you are.
I'm really fucking not. I'm a really good
Listen
person.
to me. I'm not saying you're a bad person. I think you made a bad decision.
I haven't done anything. Like if I.
So I think you made a bad decision.
No, I haven't. I tried to be
And I
there
think-
for her fucking
And
kids.
I think standing here lying to me about the whole
I'm
thing.
not lying. Listen, please,
Stop stepping up on
please, please.
So
But I haven't.
you're
I tried
you're
to
standing here
rescue.
telling me a bold-faced
No,
lie.
I tried to rescue her kids.
Uh huh.
She wanted to go to her
Here's the problem.
ex-girlfriend's house.
You've been drinking. You got behind the wheel of that car and hit her with the car.
I didn't.
There's marks over here where you peeled out. I've got witnesses saying you peeled out, and that's when you hit her with the side of the car.
Did not.
Okay.
What I'm trying to tell you is.
So here's my thing.
Yes.
Why would I trust anything you say at this point when you told us a bold-faced lie right from the beginning? First you told him you drove when we got on scene. Told him you were driving. Then you tried to change it to no, I wasn't driving.
Then you're trying to tell me that you're not drunk.
Yeah, and that's...
It's not even that. I'm just saying that I was the one that was irresponsible. The only one fucking responsible for saving her kids. Once
cool.
again,
And then
I'm the only one. No, because I'm the only one. I was there for her fucking son's
Hey,
birth.
listen to me.
No, I was there for
Hey.
her son's birth. And I'm the only one that gave
10:15. 10:15.
Yes, sir. and I was the only one who gave a fuck. Yes, sir.
All right. Are you gonna calm down now?
Can I smoke a cigarette or something?
No, that's past.
Yes, sir.
Now, that being said, are you willing to do FS field sobriety test for me?
When the officer asks if she is willing to perform standard field sobriety tests, she completely deflects, demands to be uncuffed, and accuses the police of ruining her life.
For what? Because y'all are going to arrest me anyways.
Are you willing to do field sobriety tests?
What does that mean?
Walk
What
and
do I need
turn.
to do? Are you going to fucking uncuff me? Because I can't fucking do it like this. Y'all are going to stress me. I
Listen
have
to me.
anxiety.
If you can calm
I'm
down,
going to have a panic attack.
if you can calm down.
I'm going to have a panic attack.
The officer gives her one last chance, asking if she will submit to a breathalyzer test once they get to the county jail. She responds by telling them to leave her alone. That response is a legal refusal, which triggers an automatic license suspension.
Listen to me.
I need a fucking napkin.
Listen to me.
No, I'm listening, but you guys aren't fucking listening to me. You guys are ruining my life. I haven't had a fucking record in ever.
Okay.
And I'm a good person. I'm a good fucking person. I live
Hey.
right down the road. The only reason I came here was to save my best friend's fucking kids, and then you guys are gonna arrest me.
We're gonna request that you take a breath test when you get to the jail. You willing to do that?
Leave me the fuck alone.
So is that a refusal?
Leave me alone.
Okay. You realize if you refuse, they suspend your license, correct?
Fuck it. Leave me the fuck alone. Get up, piss me the
Refusal.
fuck off.
Take her.
While the driver is busy spinning a web of excuses, the victim's side of the story is brutally straightforward.
I have this anxiety that I have a medical marijuana card for, that's it.
Okay, not a problem.
Alright, so what happened today?
Bro, we were literally just here and I started walking because my friend was gonna drive, but my truck was out of the road, and I didn't have my keys, so I was like, it's okay, it's literally out of the road, I'll just walk to my truck. And then somebody was coming around the corner sharp as fuck, and they literally... Bro, they literally ran me the fuck over.
She spent the entire interaction trying to convince everyone she was a responsible, caring friend who was just trying to do the right thing. She ended the night in the back of a police cruiser, officially charged with driving under the influence and battery,